Hello everyone. Army Public School welcomes all of you to the Summer Camp 2021. I am Ruhi Saladia and today I am going to show you how you can make your very own bird mask. To make your very own bird mask, you require one slightly thick paper, some blue papers. I have taken different shades of blue, one yellow paper, sellotape, one black marker, glue, stapler, string, scissors and scale. Take your piece of paper and fold it in half like this. Now from the folded side, mark one point in the middle of the paper at a distance of 2 cm from the folded side. In the same line, mark another point at 6 cm. Now with the help of marker, join these two dots to make an eye hole. What you need to do here is just draw a shape that roughly allows you to stick lots of feathers on it, like this. Now all we have got to do is just cut this out. To cut an eye hole, stab your scissors down into the middle. Give them a little twist and just cut away this eye hole. Now open that out and you should end up with something like this. Now our next step is to make a beak. To make a beak, take your yellow paper and just create a cone out of it, like this. And cut this extra paper. Now apply some glue at the edge of this cone. Just to keep your cone together, like this. Next, to attach your beak to your mask, you just cut along the outside lines. Like this. Just make a small cuts to make the flaps. Fold them outside. These flaps will help you to connect this beak to the mask. So fold the flaps like this. Now take your base and you need to paste this beak here like this with the help of these flaps. So for that, apply glue on these flaps. Don't apply too much of glue. Just a little bit of glue is enough. So like this you have to paste the beak on your mask. The base of our mask is ready. Now our next step is preparing some feathers for our mask. To do that, I take my blue paper and I'm going to fold it over as many times as I can cut through. By doing this, I can get lots and lots of different shapes of feathers out of this bit of paper. So I'm just going to cut out few credence shapes out and see what we are left with. So we have made some feathers out of this bit of paper. Just open feathers, open them. So we have made some feathers. You can also use these bits of paper to make small feathers. So keep making small feathers. Use every bit of paper. Similarly, make feathers from the other blue paper. This is the other shade of blue. I'm using these two different shades of paper just to add some texture to my mask. So it is optional. If you don't have different shades, you can use same paper, same colored paper. So similarly, I will cut some more feathers out of this different shade of blue paper. Try to make some big and some small feathers. So here I have made some feathers out of this blue paper. So we are ready with our feathers. Now we have to paste these feathers on our mask. Once you got a small mountains of feathers, you just have to start gluing them on the face now. So just take a feather and apply a little bit of glue onto the bottom of your feather and start gluing it from the outside edge. Paste larger feathers on the outside edge and smaller feathers to the way in. So let's start gluing them on the mask. Once you have got your mask completely covered in feathers, it's time to add a little bit of color and texture. So take your black marker and trace out the eye hole. Now, finally, to finish off the beak, I'm going to draw two little nostril curls like this, and if you want, you can draw a line like this just to show the opening of the beak. After spending some time on your mask, you can even curl the feathers, these struck down feathers, using a pencil. So just roll the feathers to get a nice curl. It will give a 3D effect to your mask. So like this, give a nice curl to feathers. So your mask is ready. Now it's time to pop up your string on the back. So turn your mask and take a string, and with the help of stapler just staple the string like this. Do the same on the other side. Staple the string near the height of your eye like this. To make it little more secure, just take a sellotape a little bit of sellotape over the top of the string like this. Do the same on the other side so that these staples don't bother you when you wear this mask. So it will keep it more secure. So now your mask is ready to wear. That is how you can make a bird mask.